Welcome to Grow On, where your mindset grows and your money follows.
Habit number 1, always pay yourself first. Habit number 2, track every dollar you spend. Habit number 3, avoid unnecessary debt. Habit number 4, save at least 20% of your income. Habit number 5, invest consistently, not occasionally. Habit number 6, build multiple income streams. Habit number 7, never rely on one source of income. Habit number 8, learn high-income skills. Habit number 9, spend less than you earn. Habit number 10, create a monthly budget. Habit number 11, stop impulse buying. Habit number 12, wait 24 hours before big purchases. Habit number 13, invest in assets, not liabilities. Habit number 14, avoid lifestyle inflation. Habit number 15, build an emergency fund. Habit number 16, learn about money daily. Habit number 17, surround yourself with smart people. Habit number 18, avoid toxic financial habits. Habit number 19, set clear financial goals. Habit number 20, review your finances weekly. Habit number 21, start investing early. Habit number 22, do not chase quick money. Habit number 23, be patient with growth. Habit number 24, focus on long-term wealth. Habit number 25, avoid credit card debt traps. Habit number 26, use money as a tool, not emotion. Habit number 27, increase your income, not just savings. Habit number 28, read finance books regularly. Habit number 29, avoid comparing yourself to others. Habit number 30, invest in yourself first. Habit number 31, learn from financial mistakes. Habit number 32, save before spending. Habit number 33, build discipline with money. Habit number 34, avoid get-rich-quick schemes. Habit number 35, track your net worth. Habit number 36, be consistent with saving. Habit number 37, cut unnecessary subscriptions. Habit number 38, invest in stocks or funds. Habit number 39, do not fear risks, manage them. Habit number 40, think like an investor. Habit number 41, focus on value, not price. Habit number 42, do not buy things to impress others. Habit number 43, learn tax saving strategies. Habit number 44, automate your savings. Habit number 45, keep learning new skills. Habit number 46, diversify your investments. Habit number 47, avoid emotional decisions. Habit number 48, be financially disciplined. Habit number 49, stay away from scams. Habit number 50, plan your future early. Habit number 51, save small amounts daily. Habit number 52, avoid wasting money on trends. Habit number 53, learn negotiation skills. Habit number 54, always have a backup plan. Habit number 55, stay focused on your goals. Habit number 56, improve your mindset daily. Habit number 57, invest in knowledge. Habit number 58, do not depend on luck. Habit number 59, build long-term habits. Habit number 60, take responsibility for your money. Habit number 61, stay consistent with effort. Habit number 62, learn from successful people. Habit number 63, avoid procrastination. Habit number 64, start before you feel ready. Habit number 65, stay disciplined every day. Habit number 66, control your expenses. Habit number 67, save for future goals. Habit number 68, invest wisely, not blindly. Habit number 69, build strong financial habits. Habit number 70, stay patient with results. Habit number 71, do not fear failure. Habit number 72, learn from losses. Habit number 73, focus on progress. Habit number 74, improve daily by 1%. Habit number 75, Stay committed to growth. Habit number 76. Manage your time wisely. Habit number 77. Avoid distractions. Habit number 78. Work on your goals daily. Habit number 79. Stay motivated and focused. Habit number 80. Build a strong work ethic. Habit number 81. Do not give up easily. Habit number 82. Stay consistent no matter what. Habit number 83. Keep learning and growing. Habit number 84. Focus on your future. Habit number 85. Avoid negative influences. Habit number 86. Stay positive and disciplined. Habit number 87. Build wealth slowly. Habit number 88. Avoid risky shortcuts. Habit number 89. Stay focused on long-term success. Habit number 90. Trust the process. Habit number 91. Learn to delay gratification. Habit number 92. Control your habits. Habit number 93. Stay mentally strong. Habit number 94. Keep pushing forward. Habit number 95. Focus on results. Habit number 96. Stay consistent with actions. Habit number 97. Build smart habits daily. Habit number 98. Improve your financial mindset. Habit number 99. Stay committed to success. Habit number 100. Never stop learning about money.
If you are serious about building real wealth, subscribe to Grow On and start your journey today.